guys, it's your girl Elle, and I am back with another video. Today's video is going to be a haul, a home decor haul. So yeah, welcome back to my channel, and I'm so excited about this haul because it's not a traditional home decor haul. It is from a special store. It's not Homegoods, it's not Athome, it's not Target. It is from Kroger. Yes, I said it right, Kroger. And I've done a Kroger haul before, a clothing haul, try-on haul on my channel. And yeah, you can check that video out. But before I jump right into it, like I usually do, I just wanted to say thank you for getting me to 100 subscribers in about 1 month. I'm excited about it. I know everybody's like 100 subscribers, but for me, that means something. That definitely means something. And I do have some views and beautiful comments on my channel. So I want to hear more from you guys. You guys leave great comments, but I also want to know what you guys would like to see from me. How else can I bring you good content? And yeah, just let me know, because I want to also want to do some giveaways and just be part of your world and bring in that unison with everyone. So yeah, before I ramble on, let me jump right into it. I'm going to start off with my favorite pieces from there. And here we go. Here's one here. This is a very chunky, meaty candle holder. And yeah, it's really nice. They're really nice. See, there's a big one here, a Papa Bear. And I will call this the eldest son. Excuse me. No, and here is a medium size. They're not small by any means. They're really big, and they're heavy, really meaty pieces to make a statement in your home for your decor. It's like a gray and beige color. So what we call that is taupe. And yeah, and you want to know the best part? Look at how this is for the candle. You want to know the best part about these? This one was $4 and this one was $6. So these pieces were 70% off in Kroger. I can't tell you what the original, oh, actually this was $19.99. And of course, this is probably $24.99, and they're well worth it. But yes, I got these at a discount on top of a discount on top of a discount. Yes, and I'm so excited about these pieces. They will definitely make a statement. So I'm going to move on from there, and I will feature them again because I got these really fabulous candles, and so I'm going to use them with that. Okay, so what's next? Let's start off with the horse, of course. Yes, so I got 2 of these horses here, and this is from the brand HD Designs. This was originally $29.99. I got them for $5 a piece, 70% off. I am so excited. Oh my gosh. So far I only spent $20 for these beautiful pieces. And look, take a good look at that. It has like pink, excuse my nails. They have like pink clay in it, and it's like really good. Really good pieces. Really makes a statement. So it's, you know, you can really do some great stuff with this for your home decor. Okay, so let's put these back. And then I got these miniature ceramic ones. They were $8 a piece. I got them for $3 a piece. And these are more like, I wouldn't call these horses. These are more like, what do you call these? Maybe lambs? Or no, these features are a little bit more delicate and unique. I don't know what they are. They're not horses, but they are beautiful. And it's taupe again. They don't have any color in there, but they're from DIP or DIP. And again, from Kroger. Yep, 70% off. They're a little bit less than $4, I think, but they were 70% off as well. So I'll put those here. Okay, now got some more candle holders. I got 4 of these, and I actually got 4 of the other big large ones as well. So yes, 4 of these, and these have like it's wooden, and it has like a pinkish tint to it. So yeah, and this is a porcelain up here, porcelain, and it's really nice for candles. And I will bring them back again. And these say $24 and $34. This was $5 and this was $8. $5, $8. So exciting. Yes, this is Kroger. And I know most Krogers don't sell home decor and don't sell clothing, but there are some Krogers that do carry them. I think they're signature Krogers. There's, you know, luckily for me, there is a Kroger in my neighborhood, like maybe 3 minutes down the street, that happen to sell all these beautiful things, which gets me in trouble. But at these prices, who cares, right? But I have been to the surrounding neighborhoods trying to find another one when I wanted matching pieces, trying to find another Kroger that sells these things. And I'm moving along to the next pieces. I got this vase here, and this is from Dip as well, and it says $14.99. Now, again, this was $5. It's a peachy, pinkish, clayish coating on it. Yeah, really nice for $14.99. Well, actually, for $5 on sale. And, you know, I really like it. The only thing is I wish it had two. These are one of the pieces that I went hunting for, and they didn't have two. You know, but it would have been great to do matching on either side. But I guess I'm going to have to do something with the centerpiece and mix it around with another big vase, which I did pick up from Kroger. So yeah, I'm so excited about that. And then look at these. Look at these, guys. Pretty, right? These are vases or vases, and they have like a swirl detail. They're ceramic, really nice pieces. Really nice. Yes, ceramic pieces. And this is from Dip or DIP. They were $14 originally. I paid $5 a piece for them. And these I did get too. So excited about these pieces. They give off a nice little echo. Yes. Look at them. Really nice statement pieces, right? Okay, so then I am going to show you some candle holders that I picked up. And these were $7.99. I got these for $3. Yes. So some of them were a little bit more off than 70% at the end. I think they were just trying to get rid of them. And I got in at the right time. So yes. Look at how pretty they are. So I got two. Actually, I got three of these. And yeah. So this is the third one. And then I wish that they had more of this shape, this circle shape like. Yeah, I wish they had more of these. Look at the pattern on it. Can you see? Yeah, really pretty, right? But they only had one. So I'm going to have to do some finagling with the pieces. But they do. Everything just seems to blend in. Like, look at that. Look at how pretty that looks. And they also, these things have a little shade of pink, which is perfect because I am popping in pinks for the summer into my kitchen and my living room, incorporating pinks. And they should go perfect. Yeah, so I'm going to actually show you a sample display of what I'm trying to do. It'll probably not turn out a little bit different at the end when I do show, you know, my living room makeover or whatever, or my dining room makeover. But yes, I will show you a little display case of how I'm going to put them in. So yeah, let's see here before I jump into that. So I showed you the candle holders. Let's take a look at this vase. Look at the pattern on that. Really nice tribal pattern, lots of texture. Remember, texture brings your home, gives your home life. I love pieces with texture. They make a statement. They kind of talk to you. You know, they have a lot. They say a lot. So, and then if you don't like a lot of color, texture is the way to go because it gives that little extra oomph. So, yep. And this was $39.99. I paid $7 for this. So what a great price, right? And what a great piece, I should say. Okay, let's put that down there. Now, let's get into the, these, let's go with these. So I had picked up some mugs from Athome that I wasn't really happy with for my kitchen because I have a mug display, you know, for coffee mugs, and I really wasn't too happy with them. So I got these mugs instead, and these are from DIP. They were $5, and actually I paid $4 a piece for them. They had a percentage off. These were not 70% off. But yes, I got these, and I got them in 2 colors. So I got 4, 2 of these, this color, and 2 of these. And I love the shape. Really nice shape. Look at the shape of the handle, and this one as well. This one has a pattern on it. Can you see? It's a speckled pattern. Really nice. Cream and a little bit of beigey. So they really go. The beiges, the creams and the beigey spots are not overwhelming, so it'll definitely blend in to your decor. And then I got these candles here. Now, these were not on sale. I think these were expensive. They were $12 a piece, and I got 2 colors. Aren't they pretty? They really make a statement. I love the grays. Look at how it looks up against the curtain. Can you see? Really pretty. So it has like this gold. And you don't have to like these things. These are DIP. And they are Kroger again. And these candles, they were $16 a piece. I got 2 of them. And yeah, they come in a whole bunch of different colors. And so do these. They come in greens, pinks, reds, you name it. They have a lot of different colors. Yeah, so you name it. I got beans, greens, tomatoes, potatoes, candles. These will look really nice when you're having company and a different type of cuisine. Yep, and this was this tray with 3 little cups in there, or tea decor. I don't know what you call these, but I just thought it was really cute. I'm gonna open them up so you can have a better look at them. Yeah, these are dishwasher and microwave safe. Yes, and so are the mugs. See how cute they are, and they just stack really nicely. Okay, let me get them all out. So 1, 2, 3. Yeah, cool, right? Really cute. And it's a wooden stand. I got these towels here. They are really nice towels for $3.99 a piece. They were on sale. They're not plush towels. No, they're not plush, but they are very nice, decent towels for every day. So I'm going to finish off this video with giving you a look at the display case that I just put some of the pieces on that I picked up from Kroger, and those gray candles on top of the gray candle holders. Those candles there were $3 a piece, and I picked up 6 of them. And then moving down here is this beautiful vase, and it's like the candle holders, and this was $7. Really pretty, and unfortunately they only had 1 of these. Okay, and then move back a little bit. And that macrame piece up there, the mirrored macrame, that was $7, and I picked up 2 of them. Yep, so this is what it looks like, guys.